Hello students, this is Suresh, Maths paper 1. Today we continue first chapter exercise 1.5. In the last video we completed first bit, so now we do second bit. The question is, write the following expression as log n and find their values. Write the following expression as log n. See, in first question, this is question log 2 plus log 5. The two terms there, log 2 and log 5. We should write in short form as one term, and if their value comes means we should write value also. So first write again question in the solution log 2 plus log 5. How it is in the when you observe laws of logarithms, see log m plus log n equals to, we can write log mn, log m plus log n equals to log mn. So in the term we can write log 2 into 5, log 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 is nothing but 2 5 are 10. So in the next step we write log 10. So here not mentioned in the question, base is not mentioned, so we consider as 10. So log 10 for base 10 equals to value is 1. See, once again I repeat the solution. So question is log 2 plus log 5. We should write log in one term. So already we read that what laws of logarithms. See, log m plus log n equals to log n. So according to that formula, we should write form. So here we can write log 2 into 5. See, in the formula, how you written, see log mn. See here in that way we have to write log 2 into 5. So log 2 into 5 we can write log 10. So 2 into 5 means 2 5 are 10. So log 10 will come. So here not in the question not mentioned here bases. So we consider as, when not given means we should consider as base 10. So now the log 10 base 10 is equals to, we can write 1. This is first solution. Next we go to second solution. See, this is second. See, question is log 16 for base 2 minus log 2 base 2. See here again we write a question log 16 for base 2 minus log 2 base 2. This question we, by according to formula, this one log m minus log n. See, in the place of m 16 there, in the place of n 2 there. See, in the place of m, in the place of n 16 and 2 there. So we can write the formula according to formula log m minus log n equals log m by n. So next step we can write in this form log m by n. So log in the place of m 16 will come, in the place of n 2 will come. By cancelling 2 1 ja 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja 2 8 ja. In the next step log 8 base 2 will come. So this in the next step 8 we can write as 2 power 3. So log 8 for base 2 we can write in the next step log 2 cube for base 2. Log 2 cube we can write as the formula according to this formula log a power m for base a equals to m into log a to the base a. According to this formula, the next step we can write like this 3 log 2 base 2. Here power m comes to front, so here power 3 there, so 3 comes from there to beginning of log, so we can write 3 log 2 base 2, 3 log 2 base 2. So next step log 2 base 2 we know that value of log 2 base 2 equals to 1. So next step 3 into 1 equals to 3. This is the answer. So again I repeat, first question is log 16 for base 2 minus log 2 base 2 in the form of what, log m minus log n. We can write log m by n. So in the next step log 16 by 2 will come. So what, m is 16 and n is 2, so log 16 by 2 for base 2. So by cancelling next step log 8 for base 2 will come. Next in the next step 8 we can write as 2 to the power of 3. So according log a power m for base a equals to m into log a base a. We can write the next step 3 log 2 base 2. Already we know log 2 base 2 equals to 1. So 3 into 1 equal to 3. That is the answer. And next this is second question. Next third question. The question is given here 3 log 4 base 64. So same should write in solution. First question 3 log 4 60 for base 64. So the next step see that base 64 there we can write as 4 to the power of 3. So this 4 to the power of 3, 64 becomes 4 to the power of 3 in the next step. So this is in the form of log a for base a power m equals to, we can write as 1 by m log a base a. So in this form we have to write. Which form? This one. This form we can write in the next step. So in the place of m, the power is 3 there. Already in the front 3 there. So 3 into that m becomes in denominator 1 by 3 and log the place of a and base. See in the place of a 4 there. So 4 log 4 base 4. So we completely the next step is 3 into 1 by 3 log 4 base 4 will come. So 3 here get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. The next step remaining part log 4 for the base 4 will come. So already we know already this is in the form of log a base a. So the form of log a base a always gives value 1. So we can write next step answer is 1. So value of 3 log 4 base 64 equals to 1. So third question completed. Next fourth question. So this is fourth question. See now Here question is 2 log 3, 3 log 2. So 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 given. So write again in the solution 2 log 3 minus 3 log 3. We should write maximum steps. That's why again we write the question. So next, in the next, see 2 log 3 there here. So 2 log 3 we can write log 3 to the power of 2. Why? Because in the form of a log a power m equals to m into log a. So according to this formula, here not appearing completely, so just recall, just remember that log a power m equals to m into log a. Here this term and this term in the form of m into log a. So right side term in the formula, right term given, right side term given, RHS here given. So we should write LHS. So we can write this as log a power m. So here log 3 power 2 will come, 3 power 2. So in the place of m 2 there, so log 3 power 2. Which formula? Log a power m equals to m into log a. Question is given m into log a form. So we writing log a power form. So log 3 square or 3 power 2. This 2 comes to power. This 2 comes in the next power. So in the next term also 3 log 2 we can write log 2 cube in the place of m. M term what here 3 there. So the 3 comes to power log 2 cube, 2 power 3. The next step log 3 square there. So log 3 square we can write log n. Yes, log 3 square, log 3 power 2 means log 9 minus already there, so minus as it is, right? Next log 2 cube we can write log 8. Log 2 to the power of 3 we can write as log 8. So next complete this, take this step log 9 minus log, which form? Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So we can write log a by b. So log a by this formula, log a by b. So by this formula we can write log 9 by 8. In the place of a 9 there, in the place of b 8 there. So log a by b. So nothing but log 9 by 8. So here log 9 by 8 we don't know the value. So just remember by logarithm table we can get that value, but here just remember log 9 by 8 equals to 0.05115. just remember when comes in exam, just you remember and write just 0.05115. Log 9 by 8 equals to 0.05115. So this is fourth question. Next fifth question here. So now so question is here log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. 3 terms given, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. 3 terms given. See carefully. First step we should write all again question. Next second step here, see log 10. See this term, see this and 2 log 3 I'm writing as log 3 power 2. 2 log 3 I'm writing second term, see second term 2 log 3 I'm writing as log 3 power 2 in the form of log. So log 3 power 2 we can write from the formula log a power m equals to m into log a. Say next step what as it is there, log 2 as log 2. See observe here, here not given base, here not given for 3 terms not given base, we consider as base 10 when not given here any question, not given any question, suppose not given base, we should consider as 10. So next step here, see log 10 as it is first term as in writing. So next term plus log 3 power 2 we can write as log 9 minus log 2 as it is. And first and last term we writing as it is, in the second term log 3 power 2 we writing as log 9. So next term, next step, see this step only we consider here in this step, see these two terms only consider. See what writing in the next step, see log 10 plus log 9, this is in the form of log m plus log n, we can write a log mn. Yes, log 10 plus log 9 we can write as log 10 into 9. So then the next step log 10 into 9, this step I am writing as the form of log mn. Log mn equals to log m into log n, sorry log mn. So next, see next step as it is here right written. So he see observe log minus log 2 as it is I am writing minus log 2. In the next step log, see from the previous steps log 10 into 9 I am writing as log 90. Why 10 9 ja 90? See remaining step, remaining term as is log 2 as log 2. So next step, see log 90 minus log 90 minus log 2, again which formula log m minus log n equals to log m by n. According to this formula we can write as log 90 by 2. See by cancelling 90 by 2 we can write log 45. Why here 90 by 2 we can write 2 1 ja, by cancelling 2 1 ja 2 45 ja. So in the step next log 45 will come. Just next step simple nana. See asking what values also asking here. If asking value just as it is, just remember log 45 always 1.65321. Just remember that log 45 equals to 1.65321. This is the value for log 45. If asking value you should write, remember and write. The next question, so this is second bit. So tomorrow we discuss third bit. So thank you.